Hi everyone. Today I am sketching an iconic scene from Alice in Wonderland. They drink me bottle, they eat me cake, and the little key that changes everything. It looks whimsical and magical, but the scene actually hides some beautiful lessons we can apply to our real life. In the story, Alice finds herself lost in a strange, topsy turvy world. Nothing makes sense. While trying to enter a small door, she discovers a table with a bottle labeled Drink Me and a cake marked Eat Me. She doesn't know what will happen, but she gathers courage, takes a chance, and suddenly her whole size changes. She shrinks, she grows, she becomes too big, then too small. Every step is unpredictable, but each change brings her closer to unlocking the door and finding her path. This scene represents a moment of transformation, a little scary, a little exciting, and full of surprises, just like real life. When I look at this drawing, I see more than fantasy. I see a reminder of our own journey. Life also gives us mysterious moments, unexpected situations, and choices that come without complete instructions. Just like Alice, sometimes we have to decide even when we don't know what will happen next. Here, the drink me bottle symbolizes taking a step even when things are uncertain, trying new experiences, allowing yourself to grow or shrink emotionally. Sometimes we need to shrink our ego. Sometimes we need to grow our courage. Here, the Eat Me cake reminds us that change is uncomfortable but necessary. Growth often tastes sweet later, even if it feels strange in the moment. Not every change will be perfect. Alice grows too big, too small, but every phase teaches her something. And the key represents clarity, self awareness, and the breakthrough that comes only after you go through the changes. We all carry a hidden key within us, but we can unlock our doors only when we have the courage to explore, experiment, fail, adjust, and try again. So, as I finish this drawing, I feel this gentle reminder: life is a wonderland, a little confusing, a little magical. Don't be afraid to try new things. Don't hesitate to grow. Don't fear mistakes because every experience shapes you, prepares you, and finally gives you the key to your own path. Just like Alice, trust the journey even when you can't see where the door leads. When I think about Alice's journey, I relate most to the phase of growing and shrinking. Some days I grow with confidence, and some days I shrink back into doubt. Both are part of my path, just like Alice. My own drink me moment was when I picked up art again and started sharing it online. I didn't know where it would take me. I didn't know who would watch, but I trusted the journey, and that step changed my life in small, beautiful ways. And the door I am trying to unlock right now is the door of consistency and courage. Showing up every day, creating, learning, and growing without waiting for everything to be perfect. My dear friends, now I want to hear from you. Which part of Ali's story do you connect with the most? What is your drink me moment? The step you took without knowing the result. And what is the door you are trying to unlock in your life right now? Share your thoughts in the comment. I would love to read them, and your words might encourage someone else today. My dear friends, these are thoughts I wanted to share with you today, and I truly hope they brought a little clarity or comfort into your journey. And now I would love to hear from you. Which part of Alice's adventure do you relate to the most? What was your own drink me moment, the step you took without knowing the outcome? And what is the one door you are trying to unlock in your life right now? Share your answers in the comments. Your words might inspire someone else who is watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel How to Draw Step by Step. Your support helps me bring more art, stories and gentle reflections to you. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me today. Thank you.